Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to enable the HDR mode on your Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. So actually, we don't have the setting for the camera, for the photos, but we have the setting for the video. At first, open the camera application like this, and now go and tap these three squares over here. Now tap this gear icon, and it will redirect you to the camera settings. Now scroll down to the advanced video options. Tap that, and here, as you can see, we have HDR 10 plus videos. Optimize the color and contrast of the videos, recording video and pro video modes. Tap that, and now you have the HDR 10 plus enabled. Apart from that, we can go back, and here in the advanced picture options we don't have the HDR. So yes, actually that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leave a like on the video. It's very important to us. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye, have a nice day.